state government has appealed to the people and COCOMI to deter from its proposed plan of removing army barricades from Phougakchao Ikhai to Torbung Wangma area. In a press briefing held late night yesterday at the auditorium of DIPR, IPR Minister Sapam Ranjan stated that most army barricades have been removed and that almost 700 displaced people have started resettlement in Torbung Bangla area, Bishnupur district. He further added that continuous efforts are being made by the state government for resettlement at other places. Hence, in view of the security measures being taken up by the state government for the people of Manipur, it has appealed to the people and COCOMI to refrain from carrying out the proposed removal of army barricades.